obi bia de ba Emadek TV so nyankopon enhira obi bia okoso ana ohwe Emadek TV. Me so mpacho video a me ba be ye video sonko a menta enye video bi se but na no eho be hia se be koso na dani de nyina ye de search videos ebeba. Mpacho video ya wo ba be hwe make sure say o comment bia person de ba no wo betimi e de send me voice message. Apart from so I comment wo video na so betimi so a voice message bi na so wa kire wa adwen na memba mebo e ma Ghana fo nyina nya bi nya den entie na amaya na eba no nya bi ntie na video ne fa me maame obatampa Etweresohemaa na dwuma pa wo ye ehu video e na me ba bebo na yaka mu nsem kakra na before na bebo video be se me ne mo ka asem bi ene say there are so many incidents me maame Etweresohemaa solve and most of them na ko teenage pregnancy nkola nyon girls a ma wo a mo ni ba bi ti ene ade na se me hunu saa nyema na asema mbisa won say enti ye nimra bia wo man Ghana mu a ebetumi abosa nkola we mu ho ban ana emre bia ebetumi aye say bema bia woni saa nkola we mu bi beda bia na say woni akola bia beda bia take responsibility as long as so over 15 years so over 16 years so over 17 years so over 18 years ne maame mo anfo anko court anfo anko police station anfo anko ba bia na de bra san so je wa de se de wo court de ya beda mansan kuma at the end of the day no ye ya na se chi na be chi wato ndi achi wato ba ya anfo anko court na efiefo ne ade na se e wo se wo hwe akola na hwe akola no se ne maame na wonya wadwo se wo mpe na de a hwe wo ba no ba se wo hwe ne ba no so na kan hu se 2 years 3 years kopem tama maame ne betumi ade ne ho no agya akola na si wo no no so etumi ade bibi dia e wo se wo every month sika bia wo de baby na bitumi cover akola no e maame no e wo se every month because yemisa ye ho mo a mo hwe mi efiri abrochi ni ade America ni UK mu ni abrochi wo na mo wo no wan na betumi akese wo ne abaya awo owie ye no wo gya akola no sa akola no nanam se abaya no wagya no se me ne na awo awie me mpena nya akola no nya me dia me nhwe no and this same nkola no beba beyi na omo ba hwe wo papa no. Yes, look, we are all stubborn like you know, yeah, remember, but me one particular thing I mentioned also say for me to get pregnant with a like for me to get someone pregnant wabram ya minim say sa oba we me mpeno ya minim say oba we me mpeno say no be ka kire me so wanyim kura na I don't want to marry her. I won't even sleep with you. Look, I won't even have anything to do with you, not to talk of say oba babenyo. And it's a man who wouldn't say how about we pena, no good baby. Then why didn't you even get her pregnant for the first place? Why didn't you even protect yourself? Yes, the Nimsan Korani is stubborn, or so stubborn, we understand. To the extent say, and Kufubi did mammy or no mono air bois, whom we say no air buano, more did not them. I don't know for it, sir. Kofia the moment when he started BBC. Mudi dina tem ke kam ka se mata niam okoye ye mudi dina tem fa mata ho ke kam kwa se madan papa na jadwuma pa na oye ni nyina mewa people need help. People really need help. Hwe enkola ya wie secondary school this year ya omo akwa tenafi bebre na ni ombedi wo fie kura ye problem enti ono no so obi abontin na so okona be ma bi si ne pe na be ma no e de na so obenya no kwansi bi afiru a oba kura na to bibi kura de ba fi o maame na papa ni ase age. So they are not even ready to even restrict akura no ni movement bo because okoye kura san to kura bibi aye de ya ba fi. So definitely some of this thing is going to happen because mistakes because Ghana ya watch ye maame fo ni bi kura mpo na epushi wo mo ma no e mema no. But I think there must be a law. Say be ma bi na no abaya na nyem na wie ya. I mean when you watch the video araho na se maame we akoye video we awie hwe nkofo Etweresohemaa eboa wo mo hwe maame adwuma pa a wo de na di ni nkofo wo boa wo mo. There are people come out there to come and insult her and say so many things to the extent say and na maame video bi o na yibi eno na Kenya me kura mama begina na se bi o de aba beto abonte na me de ato screen so na mo hwe no or say those of you coming into my inbox to insult me that I am encouraging people to give birth no, what is wrong with you? Huh? Don't we make mistakes in life? Why all this insult in my inbox? Just because a teen mom needs help and I'm pleading for help. I will pull down this video and we won't help anyone on this platform again. Adentia. Adenti na adwuma pa maame we ye no mo pese mo sanso ma adwuma no o sanso gya ta adwuma no ye mo amonya ready say mo be support ono so why ready no obekọ to make sure say yes we know say nkola na ye mistake, but don't come and insult her say she is the one encouraging teenage pregnancy. Don't come and say she is the one encouraging teenage pregnancy. She is the one fueling this particular your friend say issue. And you only know yes no. This thing has been there since centuries. But I think there must be a law. I bet me a guide here now. Because you can't get pregnant with obi ba we are na where you any no akopo baby no antena no obi mom na ne won kire na mama no won kire na akoda no won kire no the innocent child no won kire no and ne onu kura mpo be huni nyansa so opese obo akoda no de oye ne say bosun jos ma say no 100 cedis fa to aduane ma akoda no na mama no no te won wo hwe akoda na what is going on? And what we do is to promote your friend and say send me in some the TV stations so, but we can't talk about this thing. We can't get information about some of these things that we TV so. And man with the dangers in those things. But yeah, and say obi so attend baby no attend credit, attend sika, Africa, oko support no. Na o plead say me kwa me ntimi muwa enti muwa makoma ye no mo so mo mra bebo ano mo san di na atem ade na Ghana for ye hypocrites are. Why are we like this? Adentia and you those same people na mo didi mami antem no mo so mo fie kura na e ma chechire exam mo fie kura mbo no mo ntimi nsanim because we know, are you not Ghanaians? We know what goes on in our own homes. We know ye nyina ye fie bi mo wo ho emra bi anya adwuma. Ghana government should do something about this thing. No family be family na memma no money man obi oni abaya bia banyum bia no so onware akwa na nhwe na emra bi na di se bosumi bia adwa sikese na wutwa e di amam ontua don fa nhwe akola no na ebi nso mame no nso so that by the next 2 years 3 years na mame ne tifie no wo hwe akola no obinya bibia ye de efrim kopem tam akola no betumi start in school mame no so betumi ehun ne ode na brabo eye aden Mummy, I'm going to watch a video. You buy a best and swatch.
Okay, so I was your phone. For your friend Etweresohemaa. I think I was at the hospital with my mother and will be sending a video about an 18-year-old girl be a wawu in this flooded wooden dilapidated structure. In fact, me who ya na masefem na say ene anopay 3rd October me rush e brain ne ma na me be hwe ne living condition me buy en so in fact second. Hey, Aba, me out money. That's saying. You're frozen. Regina. Okay, send me the can you know. Everyone will be sending me video. Say Ahana, Regina, and then the grandmother. Oh, grandma, na oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Ahana, and then mommy, ete. Wawu akola less than a month. Akola be 3 weeks. And the dano soon. Regina. Now, mommy, wait. Okay, Juma, how are you, Juma? Oye cleaner. O papa amount for fee. Oh, okay. Regina, who go school? Take where day. Hey, and say mu say na mother. To on your money na say We don't know moving. Hey. Voter region Sabiakwe. Tabiakwe. Nti bema na one monye moye no wahifa. So we don't tonton berry no. Hey. Sorry. Sorry. Abusiafo we dey mesramo Ghana for am wa brochire mesramo ketwa bia insha we dey yesramo pa le bia one akole ni no mada etie me baaye sabe reba pra mfana ho aha no maye mase twon it said more light money light it's me ba wo so hwe wo condition then the ma wo feel say wo ko mo a do beto oba hwe ba bia wo no ma me hye na wa kola ketwa enuras obi sister no sending me video na me wo me ma no ho hospital me hu ye na anya me dan anope I'm supposed to go and check up on her but na ese me bre wo niam behwe wo situation ansa na akọ then pa na ya na ye mo mu ayo ade ne kasa chema mo ntie nti wa bofra we a oyare da wo so wo ntimi fa nko hospital ya wo de ne hwe wo feel sen nti we mo dan fa yen mo ha ya kitchen nti mo ntimi no aduane wo nso yi mo ya ne dai yeso mo chewa bo mtsena eni de na mo ba beda ha yen ko beda Oni baby ni na. Eno mame. Ani nsu aye ha sei ton. Nsem pe kura nya papo. Ti anyama be ni si hei. Oni ama. Ani si nsu yi. Oh Jesus. Abusiafo we dey mesre kitwa bia insha pacho wo niama wo aduane provisions nya wo bia mesre numbers me say wo video yi 059 7393328 0240 400 208 and 05500 no nyina me numbers ni awowo bia pacho send na yempe baby me enye for onuni sake if I had a choice and kamenya dan a kamu mo beda ha wono maame mo beda na nkakole yinkwa akoda sa dan ade show condition na wasan dia akola innocent baby aba be hye ensuo yi enti se ensuo yi koso se eto ahwa wa ha ensuo igusu se eto na igusu flade a mo fa hen So we say for where they mess around. I am pleading. Obibia will follow me on my platform so. When him say about babies are Etweresohemaa, for some reason I cannot stay away. I no make no. E ka mother no nko a me no beti I am. But for the sake of akwala we nti, hwe be ode ne da. Hwe. E fiti ha hwe. Ahwe nyina flade. Enye makra me de bre no krampo no. Ebeka baby edi besi. Beje. Mabra, enye madie na bro bi ne mu. Aka baby edi besi. Okay, young family, diapers. I'm even confused. Ghana for any money be I on with the brand, you know, me be a brown. Oni so tani bi ko bum pa ne so. Ti dama ko we dia mesra wo. Mumwa. We enuane ne ntare. Enuane. After wash. Ti mesra. Abusan for we dia mumwa ye no. Yempe baby ma baby na onfa ne tin to mesra mo papa. So I be the best. Mesra mo e ko be di theater me ne me be mesra mo mama chopa na ensu ye hwe ayenye yi se bia wo fa baby say ya oye baby say ya a samba inside on. To the me followers on all the social media platforms, yes, Remo. Mum wanna mean to me baby, and my baby, and then your chinaya mean to me and relocating Miss Remo. Kitwebia insha, Miss Remo, your casa, your dress, sabi, or Moncola Bonisama. A cow no one can me Etweresohemaa. I will not even bother myself. But because of babies, the innocent babies, I may ye involved now. Until I am mamma ye emotion, I am medium, I am a jania me in a after honor, send a babies, never ye okay. To Mr. Ramo, Mumwame, numbers no bit to me afre, Miss Ramo Pan. Now you intimate relocating because and fear you sway in any, and sway to the ato.
Video ni akwa shabano. Ma mesro Etweresohemaa obatampa minim se wakoma pa nyame achira emma saade we mu abam hwe minim se there's so many people that you are helping no man Ghana de saa na yetie ye hu bibi papa bia wa de papa bia mu da. But see, my grandfather said something. He said the words of a wise man is always a foolish thing to his foolish listeners. Irrespective of whatever you do, mommy, some people will see it to be foolish thing because already they are fools. That is why. It's just thinking that those who are in your inbox insulting you are not wise. They are not wise and they are being hypocrite. Men just idea we so Emma knew any free and color we mo so. Koso anabu na menim se wo benya nkofo mo akoma pa mo so de beboa. Na emom no ne wo ye nyina no so no. Na yesanso de afutuo ene education bi ko e de ama enkwala no maya no mo ye saa de no. So that it will be a lesson to them. Ni emfa mra bi mra ma menim se wo big platform boa na fa mra ma o man ye bibi pe lawyers bi no mo twetwe petitions bi mfa nko na emfa o fa mra bi ma enwe sa mema no. So that saa de we atu bi twa ebekọ form na areho. I'm just even crying for Nkola Yakubu fie ya wo mo twen wo mo resource. Who knows? Who knows? By the time I resource be by, not majority of them have got themselves pregnant. Onyankopon nhyira ma Etweresohemaa na me nhyira Etweresohemaa ene odin a wo social media. But obi amfolo Etweresohemaa e wo Facebook na momwa no na mo subscribe to the YouTube channel. And so Etweresohemaa official I think say e wo YouTube. Na mesra mo kakra bia onso benya bia no fa send na ma emfa moa. Kakra bia benya bia fa send na ma emfa moa. Me WhatsApp number na e da ho mesra o pick number na nsem ya meka yi wo so adwen kire wo no comment as voice after so wa comment wo video na send voice message fa ma me na me mfra ensanso emebo ema amansan nyina ente ne won so wo ka afa ho. Me da wase na me nhyira so okoso hye Emadek TV. Ye be senso hye bi.